Hello guys, today we are going to have some green salad. Very simple but tasty. Before we go on, please do subscribe, like and share this video, leave a comment as well. Okay, so I have my water here. The water contains vinegar and I'm adding my vegetables. I've washed the vegetables with vinegar and salt already. Because I wanted a quick video, I did most of the things off camera. So I'm going to slice my vegetables and I started with the cucumber. Okay, also want to let you know that I've washed my hands very well with soap and water. Either you wear gloves or you wash your hands very well with soap and water, because you should know that you are not going to cook these ones, and so hygiene should be very much considered. So we are going to add avocado to this recipe, and I'm slicing or chopping my avocados. Now you can slice or chop your vegetables anyhow you want it. The size, the shape, all depends on how you want it. Okay, so this is my avocado. I'm done with it, and because I touched the ingredients with my hands, I'm going to rinse it again with salt and water. I'll soak this in the salt. I'll leave it in the salt for some few minutes before I drain or strain the water from it. So I'm going to set this aside while we work on our dressing, and I'm going to use oil. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, vegetable oil, any oil of your choice. I added black pepper and white pepper. Okay, so I just poured my vegetables into my mixing bowl, adding my avocado to it. I'm going to add kale to this, so I will chop it and also wash it exactly the same way I did the other vegetables. So I've added the kale to the salad. I'm adding my dressing to it and I'm going to mix it together. So you see, this is simple. Now you can add salt to it, but because I use salt to rinse the vegetables, I decided not to add salt to it. So I'm going to garnish this and set it very well. Please like, share, leave a comment for me, click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. Do you get it? So subscription is free, so subscribe for me and share this video, and make sure you give this recipe a try. So this is it. Now we are not going to leave it just like that. We are going to add some green peas to it. Yes, and I'm going to cover with my cling film for my special guest. Do you get it? Okay, so this is it, covering with my cling film, and then we are done with it. Yes, thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment. Bye bye.